Hello friends, I Dr. Nandini Sharma, Associate Professor, Pudhar Management and Technical Campus, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss on the topic that is selection. So under this topic selection, we are going to cover many topics related to it. That is meaning and definition of selection, objectives of selection, characteristics of selection, significance of selection, at last process of selection. So now we understand the meaning and definition of selection. Before starting this topic, you have to keep in your mind and you have to understand that selection has been regarded as the most important function of HR department. So we start with the topic that is meaning of selection. Selection is a process by which an organization chooses the individual with requisite qualification and competence which fill the job requirements. In a very simple terms, we can say that it has right number, right kind of people at the right place at the right time. That is also known as selection itself. And in other words, we can say it is the process of differentiating between applicants in order to identifying means hire those with the greater likelihood of success. So this is known as selection. Now we come on the topic that is definition. According to Delhi, selection is the process in which candidates for employment are divided into two classes. Those who are offered employment and those who are not. See, we have already cleared that selection, we get a number of applicants in which we are getting the applicants, those are quite efficient, quite knowledgeable, quite experienced, and some are not. So the next topic, objectives of selection. So first objective, to remove ineligible candidates from the list of potential hires. See, we get a number of applications for the recruitment. So what we have to do, we have to select the potential employees, or we can say potential candidates for the further process, and we have to remove the ineligible candidates out of that application first. Second, to sort out candidates who have likelihood of success of the job. We have to sort out the candidates who have a skills, knowledge, potential, experience, etc. so that they can easily fulfill our organization objectives, goals and jobs. Third, to evaluate the success of recruitment process, correct? Selection and recruitment process somehow link each other. So to evaluate the success of recruitment process, and the last one, to predict potential job performance. Now we come up with the next topic, that is characteristics of selection. First point, selection is a negative process. Why selection is a negative process? Because we are removing ineligible candidates and we are selecting the forms of candidates who are eligible and potential for the further process. It is a sorting process. Sorting means we are removing the ineligible candidates and we are selecting the eligible candidates for the further process. Next, it is a process of picking up the best suited person. It means what we are doing, out of the number of candidates, we choose the right person or candidates for the right job. Next, it follows a standard pattern. Almost all the organization follows the same procedures and rules for the selection, correct? So it is the standard process or the pattern. Next, we come up with the next topic, that is significance of selection. First point, select suitable candidates. It means we are choosing or selecting the right person or candidate for the right job. Next, determines applicants' capabilities. Through this selection process, we can identify or evaluate the best suitable candidate who have potential, who have capabilities, who have knowledge, etc. Next, generates information about the candidate. Next, place the right person at the right job at the right time. That is also a part of selection. Next, it saves cost by selecting the right candidate. We come up with the next topic, that is process of selection, and this is the last topic of our presentation. We start with there are basically 9 steps in process of selection, and we start with the first step, that is reception. What do you mean by reception? Reception means from where you get details regarding job requirements, and also you collect a blank applications form for the further process. Next, then you come up with a blank application, means you get a blank application form. So it is a structured interview in which questions are standard, means fixed. It consists basic details of the candidate such as age and gender, marital status, height and weight, educational details, languages known, detail of previous job, average earning, reasons for leaving your previous job, salary expectations, etc. Correct? Next, that comes with the screening interview. On the basis of application form, what we are getting with the candidates itself. So candidates are selected for the first round of interview. It is necessary when a large number of candidates apply for a single job. HR person asks general questions in that particular screening interview. Next, that is employment test, or we can say employee test. It depends on the structure and the requirement of the organization, what kind of test he or she is going to conduct for the selection criteria. So it may be aptitude test, it may be personality test, it may be intelligence test, etc. Next, we go with the next step, that is interviews. So what do you mean by interviews? Selected candidates call for the final interview, in which interviewer asks many types of questions to judge the candidate for that job. It consists of interaction between interviewer and applicant. There are different types of interviews. It may be one-to-one interview, panel interview, structured and unstructured interview, telephonic interview, etc. Next, we go with the checking of reference. Correct? Next, approval of concerned department. So when we go with the previous all the steps, then what we have to do, we have to take a approval with the concerned department and the supervisors. Why we are taking so that that particular supervisor can confirm that this candidate is suitable for my department. Correct? So approval is mandatory when we are selecting a candidate for the job. Next, physical examination. Physical examination, it is required to eliminating candidates to suffer from the health problems which might affect his attendance in the workplace. When we getting the right person and he is physically fit, then finally we get selected that candidate for our organization. Okay. Thank you so much. I hope this presentation is helpful for you. So thank you so much.